Good morning P2. So today we are going to start functions exercise 6b. So let me tell you something about functions. The equation of a function is y is equal to mx plus c, where m denominates the gradient and y denominates the y-intercept. And the graph of this equation should always be a straight line. Okay. So let's come to the definition. Whenever you put an input to a function, you always get an output. Okay. So when you give an input, this is a function. After some calculations, it will give you an output, the function value. Okay. Or in other words, if you input the value of x and this is the function of f, then the output is f of x. Okay. F of x means function of x. So the proper definition is when a function is applied to any input x like this, it will produce exactly one output y. And functions can be represented using an equation, a table and a graph. Okay. So for example, if you have a function y is equal to x plus 3 and you give an input x is equal to 4, means you are going to put the value of 4 in the given function, then you will get y is equal to 4 plus 3, 7. When the input is 4, the output is 7 in the given function. Similarly, if the input is x is equal to minus 7, then the output is y is equal to minus 7 plus 3, it's minus 4. Okay. In this way, you will solve the given functions, and when you give an input to the given function, then you will definitely take an output. Okay, so let's start exercise 6b. Question number 1. On a sheet of graph paper using a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 centimeter to represent 2 units on the y-axis. Draw the graph of each of the following functions for values of x from 0 to 4. The 4 functions are given here. So first we will do part 1. So first we will do some calculations and then we will draw the graph. So look at the statement. The values of x lies from 0 to 4. 0 to 4 means it's just like a number line. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the values of x lies from 0 to 4. Okay. So here is the trick that I want to tell you, that if you pick the very first value, the middle value and the last value, okay, if you pick these 3 values, then definitely your graph will give a straight line. Okay. So to shorten the time, we exclude these 2 values. Okay. So we will take 3 values of x, 0, 2 and 4. Okay. First you need to draw a column like this, as I draw here. In the first column you will write the 4 functions. In the second column the first value of x. In the third column the second value of x. In the fourth column the third value of x, and in the last column you will write down the coordinates. Okay. So let's start. The first function is y is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, so here input is 0. Okay, so y is equal to 2 into 0 plus 8, and you will get 0 plus 8, y is equal to 8. Okay, so the coordinates becomes when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 8. So the first coordinate is 0, 8. Okay, now look at the second one. Again the function is y is equal to 2x plus 8, but the value of x is input is 2. So 2 times 2 plus 8, it's 4 plus 8, and then we will get 12. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 12. So the second coordinate is 2, 12. Now look at the third one. Now here again the function is 2x plus 8, y is equal to 2, but the value of x input is 4. So 2 times 4 plus 8, and we will get 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So when x is equal to 4, we get y as 16. So 4, 16, this is the third coordinate. Okay, so this is the first function. So how you will draw the first function on a graph paper? Okay, in statement it is given as that give 1 centimeter to 1 unit on the x-axis. It's mean this complete block is of 1 centimeter. Okay, so this is 1 unit difference of 1 centimeter, then again 1 unit difference of 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter to 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 centimeter to 2 units. Okay, now here is the difference that we are giving 1 centimeter to 2 units. Okay, as you can see that the unit starts from 2 because it is given in the statement. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So this is positive y-axis, this is negative y-axis, and this is positive x-axis. So again 1 centimeter to 1 unit on the x-axis. As you can see that I gave 1 unit difference 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 centimeter to 2 units on the y-axis. So as you can see it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, so now first you will plot the points. The first coordinate is 0, 8. Okay, so the first coordinate is 0, 8. 0, 8 means x is 0 and y is 8. So the point lies on the y-axis. It's here 0, 8. Okay, and the second one point is 2, 12. X is 2 and y is 12. So it's here 2, 12. And the last one is 4, 16. X is 4 and y is 16. So it's here 4 and 16. Now what you have to do, you will draw a straight line by joining these 3 points. So as you can see that I joined the 3 given points, the 3 coordinates, and the function is y is equal to 2x plus 8. Okay, so this is first function. Similarly, you will calculate all the other coordinates of the given functions and then draw these lines on the graph paper like this. Okay, so you will get 4 parallel lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You will get 4 parallel lines. So this is question number 1 of exercise 6b.